Climate change is a terrible problem and it absolutely needs to be solved. It deserves to be a huge priority. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. We make the future sustainable when we invest in the poor, not when we insist on their suffering. Exposure from a young age to the realities of the world is a super big thing. Technology is just a tool in terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them. The teacher is the most important. When a country has the skill and self-confidence to take action against its biggest problems, it makes outsiders eager to be a part of it. We all need people who will give us feedback. That's how we improve. Everyone needs a coach. It doesn't matter whether you are a basketball player, a tennis player, a gymnast, or a bridge player. The future of advertising is the internet. For a highly motivated learner, it's not knowledge is secret, and somehow the internet made it not secret. It just made knowledge easy to find. If you are a motivated enough learner, books are pretty good. Whether I'm at the office, at home, or on the road, I always have a stock of books. I'm looking forward to reading. The best teacher is very interactive. The most amazing philanthropists are people who are actually making a significant sacrifice. Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. Discrimination has a lot of layers that make it tough for minorities to get a leg up. Software is a great combination between artistry and engineering. As we look ahead into the next century, leaders will be those who empower others. If you go back to 1800, everybody was poor. I mean, everybody. The Industrial Revolution kicked in and a lot of countries benefited, but by no means everyone. I really had a lot of dreams when I was a kid, and I think a great deal of that grew out of the fact that I had a chance to read a lot. I believe that if you show people the problems and you show them the solutions, they will be moved to act. By improving health, empowering women, population growth comes down. There are more people dying of malaria than any specific cancer. Corruption is one of the most common reasons I hear in views that criticize it. We always overestimate the change that will occur in the next 2 years and underestimate the change that will occur in the next 10. Don't let yourself be lured into inaction.